Hey guys!
Go.
Hey guys, so we're here in Manila Memorial Park. As you can see, the background, this is a cemetery. So from starting right now, I am going to speak in Tagalog because I'm going to make vines and other stuff in Tagalog. Maligayang maging masaya kayo lahat mga Pilipino at Genetics. So, may special guest po tayo ngayon. At siya po ay si Jana Brizabal. Siya si Jana Brizabal.
Go.
Ang sarap pa sa feeling, no, na pumunta kayo sa pinakamataas na lugar at sisigawin yung mga pangalan na hate mo, ayaw mo. So, try natin. And many more. I hate you!
Go.
So, may nakita po kami, scientific. Tingnan niyo po. Ano po yun? Ah! So guys, as you can see, ito po yung pathway. At yan si Jana Brizabal. So, let's go started. So, just hit like, subscribe, and comment down below what do you like. So,
Go.
I love you, Genetics!
There you go.
I like to capture the moment again.
Go.
Sorry, Jana!
Go.
Forgive me, Jana! Push ka talaga. Hey guys, dead end. We're so crazy. Crazy pa kami lahat. Gusto pa namin magbaba, pero bawal. Sabi ni Kuya, bawal. Sige. Love you guys. Just stay tuned. Just stay tuned sa mga part 2 videos ko dito sa San Antonio. So, thank you guys. Thank you, Genetics. Signing out, Mix.